Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to buy and expand your plot in Heartopia. So, let's dive in. First, go ahead and open up your watch or menu. Then from here, you want to tap on DG Members Guild, this one, Developers Guild. Once you're inside, look for the plot icon, which will look like four small boxes right at the top. Go ahead and click that, and from here, you will see all the plots surrounding your house. Simply select the plot you want to buy, then click the gold or the money button on the right, and then hit confirm. That's it. The plot is now yours and your home area will instantly expand. And if you want even more space, you can repeat the same steps and purchase additional plots from this menu. Just keep in mind that some plots are locked. If you hover over them, the game will tell you exactly what you need, usually a higher DG member level, before you can buy them. So in short, open the DG Members Guild. You want to tap the plot icon, choose a plot, confirm the purchase, and expand your home. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!